guys, we're back again. We're back with another dirtbag video in my house. So let's get to it. We're about to rip it, and it might sound like a motorcycle, but I'm pretty sure it's a dirtbag, guys. Right, I just picked my stand up and I just turned it on. I'm backing it out. You guys. So, hear that? Hear that, guys? Hear that? Yes, I'm ripping it, guys. This is back with another dirtbag video. Bingo again. Yes, sir. I'm ripping it again, guys. This is my 4th video of YouTube. So, I'm ripping my dirt bag. You guys. You hear that motorcycle sound? It's actually a dirt bike, but it's not a motorcycle. It just sounds like a motorcycle. Sorry guys, I have to stop. Favorite videos that I like to do. So, it's just when I do dirt bike videos, I like to do those kind of videos.